Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, what are we doing? Right there. Okay, I'll give you a better shot. Right there. We're going to find out what's in this. Special request from a viewer, Papa Texas, down in Texas. We're going to find out what's in here. I'm going to get a glass of water to see if this thing floats or it sinks. This is some kind of a widget. It's called a widget, a Guinness widget, and we're going to find out what this is all about. You guys never seen Papa Texas before? Put his picture up there, and we'll show Papa Texas what exactly is in here, and all you guys are going to see what's in there too. If you haven't seen the Papa Texas channel, I'll put a link down below. You can check out Papa Texas. I'm going to say he's cornered him into mostly a cooking channel, and you'll just love it. I'm going to put all my safety gear on. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I got all the gear on. You have to get the gear on. Think safety. Okay, we're going to get to this right now. As they say in Texas, grab the heifer by the horns, get her done. This is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to use. Cut-off tool. That's the best thing you can do. I can't think of anything else. Can opener don't work, guys. Okay, this is what we're going to do right here. Don't want to damage the widget, whatever this thing is. It's down the bottom. I'm just going to cringe this up a little bit like this. We're going to grab the heifer by the horns. Boom, cut this right off. We're going to see what's going on. This is going to be live right now. There you go, that's how she's done. Don't get no easier than that. Look at this. Okay. Make sure you got gloves on. Lots of band-aids around. Okay. Okay, like what is that? Okay, I'm thinking mothball, big mothball. I'm not too sure. Let's see if this thing floats or if it sinks. What's the purpose of this thing? There you go. Are you ready? Okay, so it floats. That don't make sense to me. You turn the can up to pour it. This thing's sitting on the top. Guys, I don't know what this is for. Any of you guys got any clue? Because I'm thinking it has something to do with leprechauns. Leprechauns and magic. That's all I can think about, and that's about it. Okay, so that pretty well does it for today. I'm not too sure what we solved, but we never got hurt. And Papa Texas has never tried Guinness before. So I'm challenging Papa Texas to try this Guinness. And if you want to go hog wild, go after the big guys, try Guinness Extra Stout. And if you can chug that down, wow, you're a better man than I am. Okay, thanks for joining me here today. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to check out Papa Texas down below, because he's got some cooking going on. He just finished doing a armadillo shank, and I'm pretty sure that was possum back straps barbecued. Just amazing stuff you're going to see in this channel. Check out the Papa Texas channel. Check out a Guinness. Try a Guinness. See what you think. This is the Guinness Draft Stout. Yeah, I can't handle the Guinness regular Extra Stout. Wow, that's pretty powerful stuff for me. Okay, thanks for joining me here today. You guys take care. Come back again. Cheers.